Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Listen and Learn. I am Jamie. If you want to speak English more confidently and you're looking for a long, powerful shadowing practice, this video is for you. In this video, we will do a big shadowing session together. You will repeat many sentences about daily life, confidence, and success. This is like a full workout for your English speaking. Shadowing is a simple but powerful method. You listen to me, and then you repeat exactly what I say. You copy my pronunciation, my intonation, and my rhythm. When you shadow like this, you are training your mouth muscles, your ears, and your brain at the same time. You don't just study English, you use English. In this practice, I will speak at normal speed. I will say each sentence 2 times so you can shadow each one twice. Your job is repeat after me loudly. Don't worry about mistakes. Stay focused until the end. If you finish this whole video, you will feel tired but also proud and more confident. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale, exhale. Let's begin our long shadowing practice with listen and learn. Listen carefully and then repeat exactly what I say. I am ready to practice English today. I am ready to practice English today. I choose to believe in my progress. I choose to believe in my progress. Every word I say makes me better. Every word I say makes me better. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help me grow and improve. Mistakes help me grow and improve. I focus on progress, not perfection. I focus on progress, not perfection. I give myself permission to learn slowly. I give myself permission to learn slowly. I am building my English step by step. I am building my English step by step. I am stronger than my doubts and fears. I am stronger than my doubts and fears. Today, I choose confidence over fear. Today, I choose confidence over fear. I wake up feeling ready to learn. I wake up feeling ready to learn. I start my day with a positive mind. I start my day with a positive mind. I drink water and prepare for the day. I drink water and prepare for the day. I look in the mirror and smile. I look in the mirror and smile. I say to myself, I can do this. I say to myself, I can do this. I plan a few minutes for English practice. I plan a few minutes for English practice. I feel grateful for another day to improve. I feel grateful for another day to improve. I check my goals for learning English. I check my goals for learning English. I know small steps lead to big changes. I know small steps lead to big changes. I am ready to use English today. I am ready to use English today. I sit down in a quiet place to study. I turn off distractions and focus on English. I open my notebook and take a deep breath. I listen carefully to every word I hear. I repeat each sentence with full attention. I feel my tongue moving more easily now. I enjoy hearing my voice in English. I am patient and kind to myself. I know that practice makes progress every day. I am proud of my effort to learn. I arrive at work or school on time. I greet people with a friendly "Good morning." I listen carefully when others speak to me. I try to answer in English when I can. I ask questions when I don't understand something. I am not afraid to say, "Can you repeat?" I take notes to remember new words. I practice using new words in real sentences. I respect myself as an English learner. I know I get better every time I try. I open my favorite English learning channel. I choose a video that helps my speaking. I listen to the teacher with full focus. I repeat after the teacher with confidence. I imagine I am talking to a real person. I try to copy the teacher's natural rhythm. I enjoy learning from home or anywhere. I use my phone as a tool for learning. I feel that technology helps my English grow. I am thankful for easy access to English. I enjoy talking with my friends in English. I smile and start simple conversations. I ask people, "How was your day?" I listen to their answers with interest. I share my own thoughts and feelings. I try to keep the conversation going. I laugh and enjoy the moment. I feel more natural every time I speak. I feel more natural every time I speak. I understand that real practice builds real confidence. I understand that real practice builds real confidence. I am happy to connect with others in English. I am happy to connect with others in English. I imagine myself traveling to a new country. I imagine myself traveling to a new country. I arrive at the airport feeling excited. I arrive at the airport feeling excited. I speak English at the check-in counter. I speak English at the check-in counter. I say, "Good morning. Here is my passport." I say, "Good morning. Here is my passport." I ask, "Which gate is my flight, please?" I ask, "Which gate is my flight, please?" I thank the staff for their help. I thank the staff for their help. I feel proud to communicate in English. I feel proud to communicate in English. I order food and drinks in English. I order food and drinks in English. I ask locals for directions politely. I ask locals for directions politely. I enjoy exploring the world with my English. I enjoy exploring the world with my English. I answer the phone with a calm voice. I answer the phone with a calm voice. I say, "Hello, this is me speaking." I say, "Hello, this is me speaking." I listen carefully to the other person. I listen carefully to the other person. I ask them to repeat if I need. I ask them to repeat if I need. I speak slowly and clearly on the phone. I speak slowly and clearly on the phone. I join online meetings with confidence. I join online meetings with confidence. I introduce myself in simple English. I introduce myself in simple English. I share my ideas without fear. I share my ideas without fear. I know it's okay to pause and think. I know it's okay to pause and think. I feel more confident after every call. I feel more confident after every call. I accept that mistakes are part of learning. I accept that mistakes are part of learning. I do not let mistakes stop me. I do not let mistakes stop me. I learn something from every mistake I make. I learn something from every mistake I make. I forgive myself quickly and move on. I forgive myself quickly and move on. I speak even when I feel nervous. I speak even when I feel nervous. I know that brave people feel fear too. I know that brave people feel fear too. I choose to act even when I'm afraid. I choose to act even when I'm afraid. I focus on communication, not on perfection. I focus on communication, not on perfection. I remind myself that I am improving daily. I remind myself that I am improving daily. I am stronger than my fear of English. I am stronger than my fear of English. I have big dreams for my future with English. I have big dreams for my future with English. I want to connect with people around the world. I want to connect with people around the world. I want to travel and feel confident speaking. I want to travel and feel confident speaking. I want to study or work in another country. I want to study or work in another country. I want to watch movies without subtitles someday. I want to watch movies without subtitles someday. I want to read books in English with ease. I want to read books in English with ease. I want to share my ideas with the world. I want to share my ideas with the world. I know English can open many doors for me. I know English can open many doors for me. I am willing to work hard for my dreams. I am willing to work hard for my dreams. Every practice session brings me closer to my goals. Every practice session brings me closer to my goals. Congratulations! You have just completed a long shadowing practice with English Fluency Teacher. You didn't just watch this video. You worked hard, you spoke a lot, and you pushed your limits in English. This kind of training is not easy, but this is exactly the kind of practice that builds real fluency and real confidence. Remember, every sentence you repeated today helped your tongue, your brain, and your ears get used to English. If you feel tired, that's normal. It means you really used your English muscles. The more you do this, the stronger and more natural your English will become. You can come back to this video and practice again tomorrow, next week, or whenever you want a long speaking workout. If you finish this practice, write in the comments, "I am proud of my English effort." I will be so happy to see your comment and celebrate your progress with you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Listen and Learn, and share this practice with a friend who wants to improve their English speaking. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep going, keep growing, and keep speaking. You are doing an amazing job, and you are much closer to fluency than you think. This is Listen and Learn, and I'll see you in the next shadowing video.